Hello retouchers, so welcome to my channel once again. So in today's tutorial video, we're going to be retouching this particular picture together. Okay, so I don't have copyright of this picture, so big shout out to the photographer of this amazing picture. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be retouching this amazing picture together. This is the raw picture. Okay, so we'll be retouching this picture step by step. Okay, so we try to make it a gritty picture. Okay, so grab your laptop, grab your mouse, grab your pen. Let's retouch this picture one step by step. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, so and to retouch this picture right here, I'll be making use of my all-in-one retouching presets. Okay, so if you need this my preset, you can check my channel description for it. Okay, the reason why you need this preset is to make your work fast and easier. Okay, so now we are making use of the median frequency separation right here. Okay, so the median frequency separation right here, that's the second frequency separation in this my all-in-one retouching preset. Okay, so I click on the median frequency separation. Okay, it will give you a message. Okay, so just follow the message, it will direct you on what to do. Okay, so as you can see, it has load. Okay, pause here, allowing us to choose the amount of blur that will be okay. So let's drive this, let's move it a little. Okay, so 11 is okay for this picture right here. As you can see, 11 is okay, so I keep it at 11. Okay, so I click continue. So it will give you a final message directing you how to set your mixer brush. Okay, so as you can see, this is our median frequency separation right here. Okay, this pattern, we'll be working with mixer brush, but this pattern is on median blur. Okay, so let's retouch this image one step by step. Okay, so we are going to retouch this image and make it look realistic without changing the look of this picture. Okay, so let's retouch. Okay, so this is how you retouch. And when you are retouching, when you are brushing, follow the structure of the picture, the face, the body structure of the picture you are working on. Okay, so this is before and this is after. Okay, as you can see, there is changes here. Okay, so let's move on this side of the face. Okay, so let's work on the eyes here. And so we are making sure that this picture will look real after retouching, and that is what retouching is all about. You are not retouching to change the picture from what the picture looks like. Okay, so as you're watching this tutorial, please subscribe and turn on the bell button. Okay, if you have a tutorial that you want to see, you have a video that you want to see on this channel, please do well and drop it in comment section so I will make the tutorial for you. Okay, so my aim here is to make sure that you master skin retouching. Okay, so as you can see, we've changed this picture, we've beautified this picture a little. So if we check before after, you will see before after. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this is the nose. So we'll make sure we work on the nose lightly. Okay, so we won't spoil the nose. As a retoucher, there are many ways to do photo retouching in Photoshop. Okay, so but this pattern using mixer brush is one of the professional ways to do photo retouching. Okay, so this way you mix your skin and your texture will still remain intact and your skin will still be looking beautiful and realistic. Okay, so let's work on this hand right here. Okay, so let's check before. As you can see, this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So we are leaving this retouching this way. Okay, this picture is okay this way. So the next thing to do right here is to remove some of these pimples that I'm seeing on her face. Okay, so make our median texture active and pick our clone stamp tool. Okay, so we are going to pick the pimples. Okay, so click alternative, click left click your mouse, pick from the good side and paint the pimples to clone them. Okay, this is how you can pick all those unwanted stuffs. Now there are many ways to do it right in Photoshop also. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, you are making use of this clone stamp tool. You can use spot healing brush tool to do it. You can use remove tool to do it. You can use patch tool to do it. Like many ways. Photoshop is so broad. So any unwanted stuff that we don't want here, we'll remove it. Okay, so as you can see, this picture is looking before after. It's looking sweet right here, right now. Okay, so yeah, remove this stuff here. Finger. Okay, so the next thing I'll do here is to whiten the teeth. Okay, so and also the eyes. So I will scroll down. Remember, I'm making use of my all-in-one retouching preset. So under the matte retouch button, you see toothbrush. Okay, so I click on toothbrush. It will give you a message. Okay, telling you, directing you on what to do. Okay, so it has load. My foreground color is on white, black, then white up. Okay, my brush opacity is 100, flow is 100. I'm on soft round brush, so I paint on the teeth. Okay, so to make it whiter. Okay, so for the sake of the eyes, we do that in camera raw filter. Okay, so I merge these things together and I duplicate this image, Ctrl J. Then I take the image to camera raw filter to do some adjustments here in camera raw filter. Okay, here we are in camera raw filter. Okay, so I'll go to the presets icon here, then I close my user preset. These are preset that I import, so I'm making use of adaptive portrait here. So under this adaptive portrait, I will start with enhanced portrait. Okay, so I click on enhanced portrait. Guys, if your camera raw filter don't have these features, that means you need to update your camera raw filter, and also or you update your Photoshop. Okay, okay, yeah, as you can see, so the enhanced portrait, I leave it at 100. Okay, so this is the glamour portrait. Okay, so I want to enhance the glamour on her face, so this is the glamour portrait. So the glamour portrait, so I increase the glamour portrait. So guys, remember, when you are doing adjustment in camera raw filter, it's from your eyes, from the picture to your eyes, whatever thing that your eyes is pleased with. Okay, so what I achieve here might not be exactly the result you achieve. Okay, you might achieve something better than mine. Okay, so let's continue. So then I move to the gritty portrait. Like I told you guys, I love this image to be on gritty. Okay, so the grit is, I leave it at 114. This is nice. Okay, so enhance the eyes. Enhance the eyes. So enhance the eyes here. I increase it to 178. Okay, so let me whiten the teeth more. Whiten the teeth. Okay, so I move it to darken eyebrow. Okay, so I darken the eyebrow small. Okay, so I move to adaptive subjects right here. So I check on pop. Okay, this is what pop gives us. One pop. One pop is not bad. And this is light. Okay, this is warm light. So let's leave it on light right here. Okay, so then I'll move to edit here. So yeah, I move the black down a little. So under the color here, I increase the vibrance a little. So I need the colors, all the colors on the picture to pop up. So I increase the vibrance a little. So as you can see what the picture is looking like right now. So it's looking beautiful. So I think this picture, I will leave this picture this way. Leave this picture this way. I'll click OK. Okay, so let me merge all these things together. So as you can see, guys, this is before of this picture. This is before and this is after. Okay, before and after. As you can see, guys, this is how we retouch this picture with median frequency separation, median retouch, and with the help of camera raw filter, we make it a gritty picture and it's looking fantastic right here. Okay, so before, after, so beautiful. Before, after. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial. So if you watch to this end, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Okay, so if you need any of this my all-in-one retouching preset, you can check my channel description for it. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next tutorial.